Okay, so I've got a little bit of work done here. I didn't want to do too much till I had a chance to show you kind of what it looked like. So this is just a basic kind of layout here. It's got the drawers over here to the left. Um, I just have a few little functions in here. I didn't want to get too far. It's got the two views, the block view and then the code view, and then in the code view a way to share the code out and save it either to the desktop and run it as a sketch on the Rokduino, or um, save it online to share it in a repository. So since it's a web page, it could also be, shrunk and grown to make the blocks bigger. So I've just got a few controls and inputs, but here's kind of what it looks like. So a bit bigger. So the main loop, and you can see it's building the code as we go. So they could kind of cycle back and forth if they wanted to see that. And then I'll do a little if in here. These kind of allow for you to shrink if you have a lot of stuff in here and you have a lot of things, as it's growing, you can kind of shrink and hide things as you didn't want to look at it anymore. So there we go. Okay, so there's the if with the looking for port 1. The way it does parameters is it embeds them into the block itself rather than kind of hanging off the side. So it's a little bit different than what the Arju block does. So it's a little bit different. It's a little bit more like the way Scratch does it. So that's kind of one difference, I guess. Put the motor, let's say, turn about halfway on when it's pressed. Otherwise, turn it off. So, and then here's what the code looks like. So that would be the code, and this I haven't hooked up yet, but it would be pretty straightforward. It would send this out to be saved as a sketch, and then opened in the Arduino IDE, or saved online to share it. So that's what this looks like so far.